Hey, what's going on, guys? Today on the channel we're going to be taking a look at the AirPods 4 with Active Noise Cancellation. I almost said AirPods Pro because these things are so similar. Anyways, this is the only new Apple product I decided to get this time around. I didn't need a new iPhone. I have a 15 Pro Max, and I really considered Apple Watch Series 10, but at the end of the day, I think I'm going to stick with the Series 6 for one more year. Anyways, I'm pretty excited to see these new AirPods. They've been kind of redesigned a little bit. They've also gained a lot of AirPods Pro features. I mean, really at this time, the only thing that differentiates these and AirPods Pro is the new hearing aid features. So if those hearing aid features are important to you, then you need to opt for the AirPods Pro. So it's going to be interesting to see what Apple does with AirPods Pro 3 whenever those come out. So for AirPods, the standard AirPods, you can get the standard AirPods, which are just AirPods 4. They get a lot of cool features from the pros. And then you can also get these right here. So these are AirPods Active Noise Cancellation. So standard, they cost $129. These cost $179. And in my opinion, I feel like these are a pretty killer deal nowadays. You get Active Noise Cancellation and all these other good features on headphones like this. I think they're pretty good. But I used to have AirPods Pro too. Unfortunately, one of them kind of just quit on me. I don't really know what happened there. And I haven't had them for probably about a year or so, so it is going to be nice to get back with AirPods again. I did miss them quite a bit. So we're going to see how these are. One thing you'll notice is with these new boxes here, the box is a relatively similar size. It might be a little bit smaller. But this box was actually not wrapped in plastic whatsoever because Apple is all about the environment nowadays. But they still have their typical pull tabs here on the back. So we're just going to pull those off of there. And then they should just slide right out. Typical design by Apple in California. And there they are down there. Let's see what we get. I don't know if we get Apple stickers anymore. Looks like a little quick start guide there, typical safety info, blah blah blah. Yeah, look, no Apple stickers in the box. That is a sad time right there. Oh my goodness, I have an Apple sticker collection. So it's really crazy that you don't get those in the box anymore. But anyways, times are changing, I guess. They're trying to, let's see what this little quick start guide says here. So just tells you basically how to turn on your Bluetooth, how to pair the AirPods, typical way we always do, and then how to access the different features, noise control, conversation awareness, spatial audio. So yeah, pretty simple explanatory guide here. Tells you how many clicks of the stem you need to do in order to do certain things. Just different random, controls. Nice little quick start thing here. So that's good for people who may be first-time AirPod users. I might have to refer to that a little bit before my review because it's been a while, like I said, since I've had AirPods. Go ahead and see. Here's the AirPods themselves, wrapped up in a little bit of plastic, and you don't actually get a cord or anything with these. So if you're looking for a USB-C or anything like that, extra cord, good luck, because you're not going to get any of that with these AirPods. But let's go ahead and put the box kind of back together here a little bit, and let's check out the AirPods. Go ahead and unwrap them one more time. Well, kind of make it a little difficult, huh? Oh, I got to be doing something wrong. There's no way that's that difficult. Ah, there we go. Okay. This time around I did a little fun. Got a little emoji engraving. Nothing crazy. A little laughy face there. But yeah, the case is definitely kind of more compact than the AirPods I'm used to. My case was like this tall on typical AirPods. But the stems were much longer and they were, different shape and all that. But yeah, the case is definitely more compact. I really like it. It has a little bit of a heft to it. Not too bad though. But yeah, typical, case design. You saw that magnetic hinge back there. Typical glossy plastic construction. The nice thing with these now is there is a speaker built into the case. So this is going to help you big time if you lose them, because then you can ping them with your Find My iPhone app, and you'll be able to find them pretty easily that way. I think these also allow for precision finding now, so you can, if you have a newer iPhone, you can do the precision finding to locate them easier. But let's go ahead and open them. So there you go, that's what they look like. I just heard a little ding. I don't know if that was from them or my phone. Let's see. Okay, there they are on the phone. So AirPods, they're kind of rotating around. It's really funny, they even have your engraving on there. I've never got an engraved Apple product before, so I'm not used to that. But anyway, let's just hit connect. Okay, and it's as simple as that. Very easy pairing process. It's going to give you a little tutorial of some couple things, kind of just telling you what to do with the stems and how to operate them. You can also do personalized volume, so it says automatically adjust the volume and media in response to your environment, so that's a new feature, of course. We'll go ahead and turn that on. And then also conversation awareness, so you can, when you start speaking, AirPods will lower media volume, reduce background noise, and enhance voices, so we'll do that as well. And then you can also just say you know who, and you can activate her through that, but I'm just going to hit not now on that. And then you can also control your AirPods by moving your head, so you can basically do yes or no gestures in order to decline or accept calls or hear notifications, everything like that. And there you go. It's as simple as that. Kind of a quick tutorial there. But yeah, it looks like they need to charge up a little bit. They're at 39%, the case is at 64%. But yeah, just hit continue. Looks like we get special offer, Apple Music. We'll hit not now. And it's as simple as that to pair your AirPods with an Apple device. So let's go ahead and take one out and look at it. So yeah, definitely a different shape. I wish I still had my old ones to kind of show you the difference here, but definitely a more compact design, definitely a more kind of curved shape. Apple says this is supposed to fit in majority of people's ears better than the previous versions. So we'll have to see about that. But yeah, they look much different, you know, definitely kind of giving some more pro shape vibes to them. But let's go ahead and put one in my ear, just see. Okay, so still feels like a typical AirPod. I can already hear the pass-through going on. Oh yeah, those are pretty comfortable feeling. I'm not sure if pass-through is actually enabled. It kind of sounds a little quiet. Let's see if we go in here. I don't know how to operate AirPods anymore. Okay, I think we had a little glitch with Spotify. I don't think Bluetooth was, or the Bluetooth access was enabled. But these things sound really good. And the conversation awareness is definitely working as I talk. Yeah, it kind of gets really dim on you there. I'm not sure, am I just dumb? I thought you could access quick controls. I might just be dumb. I mean, it's been a while since I've had AirPods. I thought you could just like tap on them and access some quick controls. Well, I just disconnected them right there. Maybe you have to, what do you do? Oh, that's right, you do that. Gosh, I'm so dumb. Okay, but we have noise control, transparency mode, adaptive noise cancellation, we have conversation awareness. Okay, that really turned them off there. Wow. Spatialized audio with head tracking. Let's do transparency mode. There we go, that's much better. But the conversation awareness works really good. Like when I start talking, it dims it down really. It kind of has like a, I wish it was quicker to not, like to undim it. But these sound really good. Yeah. The bass sounds really good in them. But AirPods are always very bassy. Yeah. I know you guys can't hear any of this, but you really can't beat the price of these and the sound quality. I can't believe I forgot you just hold down on that. But yeah, I like conversation awareness. Okay, so what it does is when it realizes you're done talking, it kind of bumps it back up slowly. But yeah, that is a really cool feature. That is really, really nice. And you can do noise cancellation. That's what we need to try. Let's turn off conversation awareness, do noise cancel. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I can barely hear myself talk. I mean, I can hear myself talk, it's just like really muffled. It's going to be interesting to see how that works in a really loud setting. But as of right now, I'm pretty impressed with these things. Wow, this is really nice. Definitely worth the extra $50 to get noise cancellation. But anyways, guys, that was just a real quick unboxing. I'm going to play with these a little bit more, get used to them, and then we'll have a full review coming up probably maybe next weekend or something like that. Anyways, guys, let me know if you're going to pick up these new AirPods in the comments down below, and I will catch you all in the next video.